everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you have an above ground pool or even one of those inflatable spas and you need to vacuum the bottom, this here is going to be a portable pool vacuum that is cordless, rechargeable. It's from InoKraft. And again, will be a great solution for you if you need to vacuum your above ground pool or those spas. Now, this here will have about an 18.5 gallon per minute suction. So a really good suction as far as getting all that debris in the bags here that you can easily dump. Now, you are going to get a spare bag too, which is nice. So this is what the bag will look like. These are going to be the ones that collect all the debris, and then you can dump this out after you vacuum the bottom of your pool. And again, rechargeable. So you do get the charger here. It is a proprietary charger, and that actually fits in right here on the bottom. So it'll go in just like that. That's where you're going to charge this up. You have your on and off button, and you'll turn this on once it's under the water. Now, you do get a telescopic pole. This pole here will go up to 59 inches, so really long reach. So you'll be able to get all the way down to your deep end with this pole, and you'll just tighten these here. Now, the way you're going to change these bags or clean them, pretty genius here, pretty simple. You just pop this white lever down. This comes out, right? All your debris in here, right? This is how you would do that. And then there's just two tabs on each side that you'll pull down, one there and then one on this side. And then you dump your basket out. And then it's as simple as just putting it back on. Make sure it just lines up. You'll pop the white tab on, pop this side on, right? And then you can pop this back in, make sure it's snapped, and you're good to go. So it's a simple application, but a really effective solution for cleaning the bottom of your pools or spas. So if you were just looking for a quick way to make sure you get all the bottom debris out, definitely check this out from InoKraft. And again, a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.